Half minute into this game, centering play. It's in the skates of one of the Big Macs. Backhand chance, save made. Rebound after Vitodian's backhand is swept right into the goaltender again. A lot of bodies in front of the net. That was James Williams, junior defenseman. And a breakaway out of nowhere. A shot, save made by Land. You can see why Plenta is piling up the points. He centers one now, and a save made by Sloan. The rebound went in. It went under the goal. As joining us late, has not won in calendar year 2023. They finished last season on a 14-game losing streak between a couple of teams, 0-4 on the season. Kramer shot save, rebound, Kramer scores! He puts in his own rebound, and Logan Kramer has goal number 3. They did not score a goal. So, already an improvement. Tucked in front again, oh my, and a save by Sloan. Kramer nearly had another one, and he hacks away, and it's the skates of one of the Highlanders, and his backhand went right through the top of the crease. Lemego to the point. Here comes a slap shot one-timer, and a gloved and held. To know which games are coming up each week, we have another doubleheader for you next week as well. Face-off one right back, O'Donoghue shot save, rebound score! Right. The Highlanders throw it to an open wing. That'll work. That'll get the job done. Sometimes it's not elegant, but it's utilitarian. Dempsey, shooting score! Backside, open man there, but he couldn't turn it over to shoot. That was Plenta, and it was popped off his stick as he tried to regather. Good move to the outside, and a save. Lost control. Logan Kramer has a goal, a couple more other great chances, puts it in front, and it's stopped. Save made by Chase. The end of his stick, I believe. Vitodian, once he gets a step on you, you are in danger. Speaking of that, Kramer getting around a man in history, regardless of whether the NHL squad still practices there. Turned over, Dempsey, in, shot, score! 16 cumulatively. For Kenan Mack, it was 17 to the minus. Now it's 19 to the minus, midway through, well, more than midway. Back there, Tanner Plenta, and the smooth skating of Tanner Plenta buys him some time. He continues to carry. Plenta all the way, stopped rebound, and softly tossed off the boards by Gabe Hurley, and the Big Macs have to go fish. Bednar, shot deflected. Oh my, it might have been trouble momentarily, and filleted out to center. Tanner Plenta getting around Gallardini and scores! Tanner Plenta! Landowski, who is a junior for Baldwin in net, he continues to get every minute of every game so far. Logan Kramer continues to get chance after chance. Here he is one more time. And he had Hurley open in the right circle, elected to shoot. That was deflected, stuffed in front by Hurley. And the next 11 sophomores in all on this Kenan Mack team. One of them with the puck, Brendan Lemego. Strong move to the outside and scores! He tucks it through the control, and they remain in control, at least for now. One more goal for Kenan Mack would certainly change things, but here's Hurley off the Plenta backhand, and a glove he does, bunting it back on his forehand. Isbell at the line, thrown right toward the front. Vitodian with a shot save, rebound score! Put in, Mack, 4-3. As the Big Macs drop to 0-5, Baldwin now 1-4, and into a tie with Erie Cathedral Prep as they begin what they hope is a long climb up the standings for the first time.